AI isn't coming, it's already here. And yes, it's going to replace jobs. That's not hype. That's the reality we're living in. If your work is repetitive, rule-based, or predictable, it is at real risk of being automated. But here's the good news. If you understand what's happening and act now, this wave doesn't have to crush you. It can carry you forward. I'm Felix, and this is Modern Income Lab. I started this channel to document what it looks like to build real income streams using AI from scratch. No team, no startup money, and no hype. Just one person using smart tools and taking consistent action. If you've been wondering how to stay relevant, stay useful, and stay ahead as AI evolves, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. AI isn't just replacing factory work. It is replacing customer service reps, bookkeepers, junior designers, entry-level coders, and even copywriters. If your job involves doing the same task over and over, following rules, or processing information with minimal creativity, it is already being tested for replacement. That doesn't mean panic, it means prepare. AI can generate, but it can't initiate, it can't lead, build trust, or create meaningful human connection. The most resilient skills today are strategic thinking, personal brand building, systems design, and solving complex problems in new ways. These are the areas where humans still have a major edge. Don't fight AI. Partner with it. Start by experimenting with simple tools. Use Chat GPT to brainstorm. Use Canva AI to design. Use Opus Clip to repurpose content. You could even start a faceless YouTube channel like this one. The faster you learn to use AI as leverage, the more valuable you become. You don't have to outcode a robot, you just need to out-human the people who are ignoring this shift. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. The shift is already happening, and the window to adapt is now. If you're feeling behind or overwhelmed, you're not alone. I've been there too. Watching it all unfold and wondering where I fit. But momentum starts with one step, one tool, one experiment. And if you start now, you won't be left behind, you'll be leading from the front. Subscribe if you want to build future-proof income streams using AI without hype or overwhelm. In the next video, I'll show you 3 high-leverage skills that AI won't replace anytime soon and how to start learning them fast.